So today we are taking the train from Busan and thankfully not to Busan. No, that's fine. They have your beers if you want.
Are you allergic to anything? You good? Tuna and mayo.
Taking Korea's newest high-speed train. On this high-speed train, we're taking business class all the way to Seoul, so I'm very excited. First time sitting in business class, so let's go. So to the right and the left, we have bathrooms on board, which are nice amenities for a train. Here's the first glance at the seats. Really nice and comfortable, pretty ergonomic, so I'm excited for this high-speed journey.
Bro, phone charger, wireless.
Damn. So far, this is one of the most elegant experiences I've ever had on a train. We got a seat that reclines, we have a footrest, I have my grapes, I have my TV, I have my coat hook, and we are rocking and rolling. A shout out to my boy Tay for taking care of my luggage while I record. I appreciate you, my brother. Ooh, it's a little chilly. Korea. Damn, I wish I tried the McDonald's here in Korea. I'm always so excited to try the McDonald's in different countries since I used to work at one in the US. Bruh, I would be so lost if I didn't have my friend Tay here. My phone wasn't working, my credit cards weren't working. I don't know what's going on with Korea.